Hello, Cancer. Welcome po sa inyong reading. So, this is for April 1st to April the 7th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, nagla-live din tayo doon. You're very much welcome to join the channel. Ayan. So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So with the Sun, the Six of Cups, the Page of Cups, the Eight of Cups, the Six of Pentacles. Bakit hindi natin alam kung anong gagawin natin dito? Meron ditong papalit-palit ang ating desisyon, no? Gusto natin, yes, kasi meron tayong alam natin na sasaya tayo, meron tayong inaasahang experience ba, no? Na ikatutuwa natin. Chances are, na-miss natin yung opportunity, lumagpas ito sa atin, feeling natin hindi na babalik or hindi na uli mangyayari. When it comes to finances or wealth, nakikita ko dito, siguro, no, meron tayong pinagkagastusan, hindi ko naman sinabing nawaldas, no, hindi natin inaasahan na meron palang dadating na isang challenges, pero ngayon hinahanap natin kung saan tayo makakakuha. Well, parang feeling natin, ay, sayang yung opportunity, nasa akin na sana, no? Pero tingnan natin, kasi nakakita ko dito, your oracle card is the power. Ang nangyari lang dito, parang may drum roll eh. Parang feeling natin hindi na natin makukuha. Pero with the Six of Pentacles, parang para tayo yung nangingisda. Either tinatawag natin, minamanifest natin, minamagnetize natin papunta sa atin, no? Bumalik ka. With the career and the jobs, I feel like there's opportunity in here. You feel like hindi ito mangyayari. Ngayon kasi, yung part na nandito, yung kalahati ng puso mo, parang sinasabi, ay parang ayoko na. Baka masaktan lang ako kapag umasa pa ako. So, should I move on? Pero may bumubulong din, no, sa'yo na, no, you need to stay a little bit longer. Baka meron pa. So, singles, crushes, no labels, third party. I feel like nandito na tayo sa part na, ay, tinutulak ako ng utak ko, no, na mag-move forward na, or even sa in a relationship, no, na nagkaroon ng separations. I feel like there is separations kasi in here, whether this is a physical or energetic separations. Doon po sa mga bago, ang physical separations is a self-explanatory, nandun po siya sa malayong lugar, no. This energy might be in a different city, state, a county, country, different continent, no? Different planet, pwede nasa kapitbahay, nasa tapat ng bahay, nasa katabing bahay, magkalayo in physical form. Energetic, pwedeng nakikita mo nga, no? Visually, nakikita mo pero hindi mo nakahawakan, hindi mo nakakausap, wala. So, there's gap. There's still some separations. That's energetic. Parang tinutulak ka ng utak mo na lumayo, move forward na. Pero yung puso mo, parang sinasabi dito na magstay ka pa, no? Still believe in the power of miracle. Ayan. With the Seven of Wands, the Lovers, the Ace of Wands, the World card, and the Strength card. Seven of Wands, Lovers, Ace of Wands, World card, Strength card. I feel like there is a certain Leo energy in here. There is a certain energy of also Gemini. Chances are, well, napapagitnaan ka nga pala, no? Gemini and Leo. Nasa gitna ka, Cancer. Baka yung cusp nyo to. Yung mga nasa early half ng Cancer, merong Gemini cusp, yung half is nasa Leo cusp, no? Um, you're trying to strategize, parang kasing gustong-gusto nating ma-aim. Hindi natin pinagkakalat or ayaw na lang natin ma-jinx ng ibang tao. Siguro nandito tayo naniniwala tayo doon sa evil eye, no? Siguro kikilos na lang ako ng tahimik. Kikilos na lang ako ng naaayon, no, sa aking paniniwala. Kikilos na lang ako ng um, hindi ko pinagkakalat. So chances are meron ding hindi ka na nagpo-post ngayon, hindi ka na pala post ngayon. Something in you changed, something in you matured. Um, there's a life-changing event. Pero Seven of Wands, what are you strategizing for you to get the Ten of Pentacles and the Queen of Swords? So parang kahit yung utak natin, sinasabing, sige, umano ka na, pakawalan mo na yan. I think that this is you believing in your intuition. Kasi with the Queen of Swords, nandun yung will, no? Ito yung sinasabi, kasi and passion, no? Ito yung sinasabi, surpassing the challenges, there's something gonna happen in here. And with your will, with the Ten of Pentacles, you're going to achieve the highest form of the abundance. So, kung finances or wealth, I think the konting push pa, or kahit konting pag-asa, bigyan ng konting time. Stretch your patience on this. I'm seeing with the Ten of Pentacles, bibigay sa'yo to no? Para sa'yo ang para sa'yo. With the career and job, para sa'yo din itong position na ito. Pero, yun nga lang, hindi mo siya kailangang bitawan. Hindi mo siya kailangang bahala ka na dyan, no? Kailangan kasi dito merong konting pasensya. May konting tiyaga. Ika nga nila, kapag may tiyaga, may nilaga. Diba? Singles, crushes, no labels, including the third party. Ito na yata yung time na kahit hindi mo hilingin, hindi mo sabihin, kasi dati meron ditong pag-wish, demands, or paghila ng energy na ito. I feel like you don't need to pull the energy. I think that you are going to magnetize the energy of commitment, no? In a relationship and marriage, I'm seeing sex life is going to be active, no? This week, baka kasi tag-ulan or nag-uulan. I am also seeing here that there is a mga Mrs., no? Or probably Mr. din, no? I think that you will be given literally a money, a huge amount of money in here. It could also be a gift. Pentacles is something that you can hear, taste, smell, touch, feel, no? In the 3D. That might change your life forever. There could be a gift sa mga lalaki. It could be a motor, a sasakyan, an e-bike, a bike, what have you. No? Kung babae naman ito, I think that this is more of the abundance, like money, literally. I'm seeing a lot of money na nagkalat. Nakakakita ko nagkalat ang pera, no? So, damputin lang natin yan. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago yan, gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel, nagla-live po tayo doon, no? That is Babaylan TV. Pero kung hindi nyo po naaabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. No? Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, and amount per questions for your reference. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So, tingnan natin ang zodiac signs. By the way, pumunta kayo sa Facebook dahil nandun po ang ating free personal video reading. April 1st, i-announce ko na po yan. Ang zodiac signs, this can be a sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Leo, Virgo, Pisces, Cancer, um, Gemini, Scorpio, Sagittarius. Nasabi ko yung Leo, yes. This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.